when we get to the part where they actually see the curls, it just... Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my boyfriend's hair. We are currently experiencing this whole lockdown and quarantine situation, and he is not able to get a barber. So today we're going to do his hair and curl his hair and use all types of products to make his hair curly and make him look a little bit more presentable. I hope you enjoy this video, okay? Okay, so I wanted to quickly pop in and just let you know that I am using my fingertips to curl his hair. I am trying to twist it to kind of give it that curl definition. So that is what I would recommend for anyone else trying to do the same thing too. Okay guys, so I decided to give him a quick facial because he enjoys being pampered, and yeah, he deserves it. So here is a few clips of me just cleaning his face, moisturizing it, and then using rose water, just in case you're wondering. So I've been screaming while I've been watching this video, and I don't know why he was staring out of the corner of his eye, but it looks like that little Terrio kid. So I'll put a clip in so you guys can see.
Ooh. Say ooh.
Okay guys, so this is the final product. As you can see, he does have a great amount of curl definition in his hair. We do plan on redoing this video once the lockdown has been a bit relaxed and he's able to go out and go get his hair cut at a barbershop. But yeah, I hope this video was informative, and I hope it was helpful for those who want to try the style themselves. And also for the next couple of clips, it's just going to be him showcasing his hair and at different angles. So once again, I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.